That's the curry shrimp right there. So I'm gonna make a half curry shrimp and half jerk chicken. Not jerk chicken, oxtail, right?
Yeah.
Curry shrimp and oxtail.
Oxtail.
So curry shrimp and
Curry
oxtail?
chicken and
Curry chicken.
shrimp.
Okay.
Should be 2 oxtails.
And 2 oxtails. Okay. Now watch me.
Oh, okay. The half?
Yeah, half an hour. This is a curry chicken. For this customer want half curry chicken, half curry shrimp. Catch it. Then all the plantains over here. Catch this real good. Wow. Alright, this is done. So one more. One more. So this one is a straight oxtail, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mac and cheese in it. This other lady, what she want? Which one? The one that I think she wanted, did you write it down? Oxtail and brown stew? Oh, okay, yeah. Alright, let's make everything right now. Cabbage, oxtail, and brown stew. Let me turn this thing off now. Oxtail and brown stew. Yeah. I want the other one was what again? It was a jerk chicken. I think she said she wanted a jerk chicken or something like that.
Jerk chicken, mac and cabbage.
Okay. Mac and cheese and cabbage? Both of them she want? Or just one?
Just one jerk.
Okay, but you want mac and cabbage both sides.
Hmm. Yeah. You know they love them sides.
Yeah. Catch that whenever you catch that. Right here, jerk chicken. Let me catch it like that. This is jerk sauce right there. So what? 5 plates in how many minutes? In 7 minutes? 5 plates in 7 minutes. So 5 plates in 7 minutes. Normally, when it's busy, it's not busy now. But when it's busy, normally, we make like what? Probably 10 plates in 5 minutes.
It's a lot of horse.
Yeah, 10 plates in 5 minutes. So that's what? 5 plates in, as I said, 6-7 minutes.
Yeah, about 10
It's
minutes.
like 1 minute, 1 minute, yeah, so yeah. All right, so we here on the food truck, Jamaican food truck. Name is Alex. You'll see more videos soon. All right, peace.